Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. I am Melda, and today I'm preparing for my family crispy potato wedges. If you want to see how I achieve these, then I suggest you continue watching. Okay, let's do it. The ingredients are listed for you on the left. And of course, the potatoes have already been washed with salt and water. I'm leaving the skins on, so scrub them with some salt. Okay, it's time to cut them up. Now it's your preference. If you want them thick or you want them skinny, it's up to you. But these are veggies. Veggies are normally thick and big. Okay, now you have to remember, the thicker they are, the longer they're going to take to cook. So it's up to you. Just keep that in mind. Knife is very sharp, just like that, nice and thick. So instead of just frying, just having the same old boring fries, make some veggies. Just your cooking up. Bring the restaurant home like I do. I am still doing it. Bring it home. We're having these with some nice burgers on the grill. Hubby is right now outside on the terrace, just grilling the burgers. Okay, now I'm gonna add some garlic powder, not the salt. This is powder. Okay, that's powder. Some Maggi vegetable cubes. Now these are the little ones, so I have to use 2. But if you have the bigger size, 1 should be sufficient, depending on the amount of potatoes you're using. You don't want them salt. Just a little seasoning on them. Do the trick. I have to use 2. These are small little cubes. So I'm just jazzing up my fries today. Oh my word, bringing the restaurant home. Now whatever I'm using on my potatoes and you don't want on yours, you don't have to use it. My recipes are not gospel. Feel free to add, multiply, subtract, or divide. Okay, next is the cornstarch. Having 2 tablespoons of this all over those bad boys. Just like that. Flour, this is all-purpose flour. 1 tablespoon should do the trick here. Alright, that's it. Of course, parsley flakes. I just love to see it on the fries. Okay. About a tablespoon or 2. It's up to you. I love it. Now a little bit of oil. The oil is going to keep it on the fries. It's going to really cause the seasoning to stick to the fries. So get that all massage in, just like that. Press it in, work it. Oh my word, it's going to be lit in here today. Nice Angus beef burgers with American cheese and veggie fries. They're all ready now, ready for the pan. Now these can be fried or they can be baked, but we're frying them today. The oil is ready. Okay, just like that. It's sizzling. So if you want to bake these, just use the same method, and then you would drizzle some oil over them and spread them out on a cookie sheet or baking dish, whatever you're going to bake them in. Let them go until they are golden. Halfway through, you just turn them over on 350 degrees. Okay, but we are frying them. I'm frying them today. Try not to crowd the pan now. You want to leave a little space between each of them. And these are going to go until they are golden. This is the burgers. Hubby's outside on the terrace just working it. Alright, ready. He's going to toast the buns as well. Giving these a little turn. Okay, just make sure that the oil that you're using in the pan is covering the fries. So you want to use enough. Yeah, coming on good. All right, I'm bringing the restaurant home. We're not going out for burgers today. Oh no. Let's just make them ourselves. Put them on the grill. If you don't have a grill, fry them on the pan. Nope. You don't want that? Put them in the oven. Work it. It's up to you. Bring the restaurant home. Okay, these are ready. So I'm just going to allow them to drain on this paper towel before serving them. Okay, just like that. Oh, they are beautiful. These are beautiful. All that nice garlic salt. Oh yes. Seasoning. It's on them. These are gonna be great. Just like that. That's the first batch. Okay. One of my daughters are here. One of my daughters is here with her kids and her husband, so they'll be joining us for these. This is the second batch. Just like that. Remember not to crowd the pan now. And right here, I'd like to say thank you to all. How many subscribers I have? I'm almost at 9,000. Going, just tipping the 10,000 mark. Just tipping it. Thank you to each and every one of you. God bless you. We're gonna get to 10,000. Remember, my aim this year is for 20,000. So we're gonna be halfway there in a few. Okay, the veggies are ready. They are ready. Look at them. Oh yes. Nice Heinz tomato ketchup on the side. All right, they are ready. Wow. Now let's assemble one of the burgers. This one is for me. I only like my mayo on the top of the bun. Okay, just like that. Of course, it was just warm, lightly toasted on the grill. Now it's time for a nice bed of lettuce. This is iceberg lettuce. Slice of tomato. Oh yes. And guess what? Some cucumbers. I just found out how nice these are on burgers. No onions for me. This is it. Oh yes, it's like a salad between a nice bun. Now I have an Angus beef patty with a slice of American cheese. Ooh, I love it. Now the condiments, the mustard and ketchup, and it's ready. There you have it. Dinner is served. Woohoo! It's going down in here. Trust me. Thank you very much for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Share it out. God bless you. God bless you, and I will see you in the next one. Please watch the ads now.